Good morning. Good morning. I am Cheryl, your go-to accountant and tax strategist, here with Morning Chat. This morning, every Monday through Friday morning at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time, I go live to answer your questions and help you have your own tax-deductible life. Just like many of my clients, we talk about a lot of different things here in this morning chat. I am going to try and do a little bit more topic centered things. However, this one's kind of an open free for all, so to speak. And I look forward to getting to know you all and having you join us with your favorite morning beverage. And with that, let's get going. Good morning, Lisa. How are you? I hope you are having a good morning already. I don't think that I'm good. I woke up early. I did not go back to sleep this morning. I did lay in bed for a while, but I didn't go back to sleep this morning. I think I got up about six and took my shower and got me my first cup of coffee and came downstairs and started doing a little bit of work. So I just finished feeding the puppies and getting them out. So they are all back on the couch snoozing right now. But I want to continue the conversation from yesterday. So yesterday we had a super duper conversation about deductions and what does the word deduction or write-offs or expenses mean to you. And so I thought maybe this morning we would dive in just a little bit to what does advertising mean to you? So this morning it's getting a little slow to start. We don't have the full time because I have to jump off of here and go to Chris's call that I do with him on Thursday mornings. But good morning, Robin. But we'll have most of the time. And so this morning, good morning, Dawn. We are talking about what does advertising mean to you? So on the heels of yesterday's deduction call, deductions and expenses and write-offs, what does it mean to you when I say you can write off advertising? You can deduct advertising expenses. I'm super curious. Robin says it means there is a sale. Really? Okay. Advertising means a sale. Advertising means a sale. Okay, so it means that something is being sold, right? So it means that something is being, whether it be a service, a product, or a thing, something is being sold, but that doesn't necessarily mean that it is reduced in cost, correct? Dawn, did I say good morning? Good morning, Dawn. Lisa says advertising, promotion, attention, information, offer. Advertising is promotion, attention, information, offer. Okay. This is good. This is good stuff. Dawn says, it means something is tax deductible if I'm doing the advertising. Got it, Lisa. Lisa's saying that advertising means promotion, attention, information, and offer. You go, Dawn. Good morning, Heather. I really did not expect to see you this morning, Heather. I did not. Heather posted in the members group what she's going to be talking with the members about today in the branding call. But she posted it like 1 something this morning. She was definitely up late. 1 something this morning, my time at least. And so, yes, I know we're in the same time zone. I don't know why I keep getting that confused. Anyway, she was absolutely up late, so I did not expect to see her this morning for this call. But what we are talking about is advertising, which fits really well in with branding. Yay! No, I don't think so. Yeah, Heather doesn't play. Not when it comes to what she gets passionate about. She absolutely does not. She brings it. So give me some examples of what you could do for your business that would be considered advertising. Yeah, Heather, we haven't known each other that long. It just seems like we've known each other for decades. Lisa's saying business cards, coupon. Yes, both of those things could be considered advertising. Website, an email list. Hey, Beth, how are you? Yes, all of these things are considered advertising. What I want you guys to think about is expanding your thoughts on what advertising can be for you. Robin says an introduction video. Absolutely. Now we're getting warmer. Lisa says a car wrapper. Yes. And did you know that if you do something like that, you're advertising on your car? That means that all of your miles become business. Mic drop. Lisa says, oh yeah. So Beth says, first sip of coffee enjoyed. Yes. Cheers. With my coffee drips down the side. So, Lisa says, man, I have 2 hours to wait for mine. Heather says, team coffee. All right, so let's go back to what Robin said with an introduction video. And let's expand on that. Okay, so am I... Are we clear? Yes, but a little bit better. All right, so let's expand on introduction video. So if an introduction video can be deductible, what else about the video? Why does it have to be introduction? Does it only have to be introduction? Can it be something other than a video? And I'm pausing because I want not only the people that are in here now, but also anyone that comes back and watches later to think for a minute. I don't want to absolutely just give you the answers, right? Because the whole thing is about changing how you think about deductions, the things that you can reduce your gross income with. Lisa says, not sure where you're going with this. I get it. Heather says an intro post. All right, I'll give you a little bit more information. So like Robin said, an introduction video, and Heather said an intro post, right? So, and John is saying, yes, it could be a Facebook post. Absolutely. You guys that are in here, you all see on a regular basis the kind of things that I do. This call started out as a way for me to deduct an expense that I wanted to deduct that I didn't have another outlet for at the time. So when I started this call, I started it as a healthy chat because I was taking some supplements and I wanted a way to talk about the supplements and make them tax deductible. Because if I'm talking about them, if I'm showing photos of them, if I'm showing you that I'm using them, and it's in an effort to make a profit in some way or another, then it becomes a tax deduction. So Heather is saying, so going live is another form of advertising. Yes. All of your Facebook posts, all of your Instagram posts, all of your social media becomes advertising. Why does it become advertising? Because every time you put yourself out in front of your audience, you are keeping yourself forefront in their minds. You're reminding them that you're over here. Hey, here I am, and I have this service, or I have this product, or I have this store. I love my chat. I love my peoples. Good morning, gorgeous Vic. How are you doing this morning? And how is your daughter? I hope she is recovering nicely. So Heather's like, what? And she never thought of it that way. Aw, Vic, you have a headache? I know that you struggle with those, and I am sending you love and light for a full recovery and a fantastic rest of your day. And that's wonderful to hear that your daughter is doing well. Wonderful. So, yeah, everything that you are doing to stay in front of your audience and all of everybody that follows you, that likes your posts, that is on your friends list, all of these people are your audience. And all the people that haven't gotten there yet, right? So the whole point is to create content, show our lives, show the things that we do on a regular basis, back to consistency, that helps us stay in front of our audience and helps them get to know who we are. Lisa says, consistency. Yes, I understand consistency is hard, but you guys got me. And if you're in the membership, you've got me times like infinity, plus the rest of the group, right? Because not only will we all help each other be consistent, we will stay accountable to each other because we're putting things in place to help each other stay accountable. Heather says, sending you hugs, Vic. And laughing with Lisa about consistency. Dawn says, think of the people that are doing TikToks while doing makeup. The makeup is now tax deductible. Yes, absolutely. Robin says, advertise eBay store and YouTube channel. The live does that if I am talking about my vitamins. So here's the thing. I know that a lot of you don't necessarily want to just put your eBay store out there, but everything comes back to know, like, and trust. So if your audience really gets to know you and really gets to like you and really gets to trust you, then they're going to ask you for your store. And you will feel more comfortable giving them that versus just putting it out there. You can share some of the things that you sell on your store without actually giving the links, and people will ask you if they're interested. You could sell things outside of your eBay store. If you didn't want to show your store, you could put things for sale on Instagram, on Facebook, and there's a myriad of other ways. If you decided to do whatnot, what better way to say, hey, I'm having a whatnot show? And helping people to get to know, like, and trust you on a daily basis so they will join you wherever it is that you have your product, your service, or your store. Heather's saying, preach. Lisa says, are you able to talk about products without the company's permission? So, Lisa, which products are you talking about? Like, give me a little bit more context in that question, please. Heather says she's about to school you on one of the most important things in biz. Let's go. I don't even know what knowing, liking, and trusting. Yes, it's all about know, like, and trust. Okay, I was talking about supplements, and Robin wants to talk about vitamins. Sure. So let's see. What do I have here? I keep these around everywhere I go. Like, I have a bottle in my desk, I have a bottle in the truck, I have a bottle in the bathroom, and the jumbo sized. And I buy them 2 at a time. So I don't necessarily get headaches as much as I used to, but when I do get them, or when I get a backache or something like that, I know that if I have these close by and I go ahead and take a couple, at the time when it starts, I'm probably going to feel better faster than if I wait, right? So I keep a bottle of ibuprofen every place that I might want to be, because then I am more likely to go ahead and take it when I need it, rather than, oh, I'm here in my office, I'm getting a headache, it's in the bathroom upstairs, I'll go get it later, and then I never go get it. See how easy that was? Guess what I can write off? So whether it's in a video, whether you're taking a picture and posting it on your social media, and then you talk a little bit about it, the point is you're keeping people in front of you, reminding people about you. And when they see your name, and the more that they know, like, and trust you, and you have what Heather keeps telling us about having the information in our bio that people can get to. So, for example, Robin has her YouTube channel. If she has it in the bio, then she is getting people to know, like, and trust her on Facebook, for example. And then they're like, hey, didn't she mention that she was doing something else, eBay or YouTube or something? And then they click, because people get nosy. They click on your profile and they start scrolling in your profile, and then they see other things that you're doing and offering and whatnot. And then they click on your YouTube channel link, and then they subscribe to you, and then they watch some of your videos, and that all increases your subscription. It increases your hours, and it gets you closer to being monetized. Or it adds to the monetization that you already have, depending on where you are. So, also vitamins. So there's a lot of companies that have affiliate links, depending on who you're buying, what you're buying. So if you have an affiliate, if there's a product that you really like to use, and there's an affiliate program with it, then you can share that, and that's just another revenue stream. Dawn says, oh, I can make a video while I'm doing some eBay stuff. So just planting the seed of eBay while doing a video about mindset. Absolutely. Robin says, I would love to get my vitamins deductible. They are expensive. Vic says, do I reach out to a company to become an affiliate? I would go to their website first and dig around. And if you need help digging around, we can do that. Also, I don't guess Renee is not probably here. Everybody go hit that like button for me, please. Renee is not here, but she is in our membership group, and we can get her to share her videos about Benable, which she goes through exactly how to use Benable, and Benable has its own affiliate program built in. So, not all companies are over there, but we can talk to Renee. We can have Renee do some talks in the group and share her videos in the group that she already has public about Benable. So that's some other ways. Heather says, you can, Vic, and see if they have a program for it. Robin says, you got me thinking. Heather says, yes, a lot of influencers do affiliates to make their money. Absolutely. Absolutely. So I hope that this has got everybody's creative juices starting to flow a little bit. Absolutely. If you're a member, drop some questions, drop some things in the private Facebook group. If you're not a member, drop some questions over in my my regular Simplified Accounting with Cheryl Facebook group. Drop questions over there. Happy to have these discussions. Okay. And I have to run so that I can get onto Zoom and make sure I'm in the call with Chris before we get started. But Vic says, how do you become an Amazon affiliate? It's a simple form to fill out. But it's not easy to stay. Like, you get 6 months. I had 6 months. I had an audience and I still didn't get to stay. I can go back and I can fill out the paperwork of the application again and attempt to get back in. But I'm not going to do that until all of my things are in place at this point, because like I already got kicked out once. So I'm just going to wait until I can do it. But members, see you all at 11 with Heather. She's got some fire to bring you guys, and I am super excited. Yep. Lisa says, make your day great. Absolutely. And if I don't see you at 11, I'll see you tomorrow morning. Bye. Have a great one.